Dear friends, welcome to chapter 2 of our journey in Taiwan. Today's plan is going outside of the city to explore the nature with lots of walking and a long journey ahead. So come with us and let's enjoy the adventure together. So we started our morning with the famous scallion pancakes in Shifen. Go!
Init pa mamaya.
Mainit pa. Ayaw na.
Too hot.
Harap. Umpisa lang para medyo mataba. Pero pag natikman mo na yung pinaka-ano, masarap naman.
So let me share our plan for today. First, we're going to Shek Memorial Hall, then Shifen Old Street, and right after that, we'll head to Jiufen. And lahat yan DIY lang, kaya good luck to us! To go to Shek Memorial Hall from Shimen Station, take the Green Line or the Songshan Shenzhen Line. And by the way, it's just one stop away from Shimen Station.
Saan ka?
And once you're there, just follow the exit sign.
Ang ganda nung weather kasi maaraw siya pero super lamig ng hangin. Sana ganito lang hanggang bukas.
This is the stairs going to the main hall. And honestly, medyo nakakahingal siya. Pero worth it naman because once we reached the top, the view was amazing. So inside the main hall, there's a huge statue of Chiang Kai-shek sitting in a chair. Hindi siya ganun kalaki tingnan sa camera but in real life, malaki talaga siya. And you're allowed to take photos and videos. We also got to see the changing of the guards which happens every hour. After that, we walked through the gardens and we were lucky enough to see some cherry blossoms. Most of them weren't fully bloomed yet, but still, we were so happy to see them. Actually, hindi namin alam na may garden pala sa Chiang Kai-shek. We always thought it was just a memorial hall itself like what we usually see online. So we were so happy that we discovered the garden. I can say that this place is perfect for relaxing and unwinding. On our way back, we passed by a metro stamp station where you can get a metro souvenir stamp, which you can find in almost every train station in Taiwan. So if you want a souvenir like this, just bring your own notebook. Before continuing our adventure, we had to go back to the hotel for a quick bathroom break. By the way, we're staying at the Mor Hotel which is located in Shimending. For now, I can only show you the lobby kasi nagmamadali na talaga ako niyan. This is where the real adventure begins. From Shimen Station, we need to take the MRT to Taipei Main Station, and once we arrive, we just follow the M4 sign to get to the Taipei Main Station for the TRA. From here, you can already see the TRA sign. For those who didn't know, TRA operates Taiwan's conventional railway system. Unlike the MRT, which is mainly for city transportation, TRA trains are used for longer distance travel to different parts of Taiwan. And just one last turn, and finally, we're here. Once you step inside, you'll see the main hall, which is huge, with a high ceiling and a big open space. It actually looks a bit like Grand Central Terminal in New York. So now let's buy some tickets. Since we knew we could pay using our Easy card, we tried buying tickets here.
No?
But the teller told us that we had to use the machine instead. So that's what we did.
Kaya nga.
We finally got our tickets. After purchasing, you need to check the train schedule on this small screen right here. Just find your destination, check the arrival time, and see which platform your train will be on. And since we only had 16 minutes left before our train arrived, we decided to head straight to our platform since we weren't real familiar with the place yet. And just a quick reminder, you're supposed to take your ticket back before the machine swallows it. Hindi na nakuha ni Carl yung sa kanya. Buti na lang in Carl's case, the person who assisted us and Ray Fang understood na hindi niya nakuha yung ticket niya in time, so they let him pass. As expected, the train arrived on time. And as we're enjoying the view, we noticed na madami silang bridges dito. And it's so refreshing to see na kahit madami silang buildings, surrounded pa rin sila ng nature. We have finally arrived in Raifang. And by the way, the trip took 48 minutes. Our next step is to transfer to the Pingxi line at platform 3, and our drop-off will finally be in Shifen. For this trip, you can also pay using your Easy card. Unfortunately, wala nang maupuan, so need namin tumayo buong biyahe, which will take at least 30 minutes. And totoo nga yung sinabi nila na unpredictable yung weather dito sa Taiwan, kasi kung kanina maaraw, ngayon naman maulan. And we didn't know na madadaan naman na pala yung other part ng Shifen Waterfalls. We have finally arrived at our second destination for the day. Ang cute lang ng mga tao kasi kinakawayan nila kami. Since we haven't had lunch yet, ang plano namin is to eat first. And finally, nahanap ko na yung hinahanap ko. Actually, ito lang talaga yung gusto kong matikman dito, and yung peanut ice cream. And if you're curious about the taste of the chicken sausage, for me, it's crispy on the outside and it's a bit sweet. Very malasa siya with the hint of smokiness. After that, we decided to have a late lunch at this local restaurant that we passed by. I ordered the braised beef rice. And Carl got the braised beef noodle soup. Na-enjoy naman namin yung food, but taste-wise, there wasn't anything special about what we ordered. It's good, so I will give it 7 out of 10. Since it's getting late, we decided it was time to head to Jiufen Waterfalls.
OMG! OMG! Hindi ako titingin. Parang, oh my goodness. Woo! Sa taas ako titingin. Bakit masaya siya tingnan sana? Pag madaming tao. Bakit dito hindi nila masaya? Malabas sa lapit ng nila. Boy, lang po kawakan! Lumigpit! Pwede mo pabalik hindi na dito? Balik siya.
Okay, that was a nerve-wracking moment for me. So we thought na isa lang yung bridge na dadaanan namin. Little did we know na meron pa palang isa. So the reason why we had to cross 2 bridges is because mali yung dinaanan namin. May shorter way pala. And this is the only bridge you'll cross if naka-private or club tour kayo. You may be wondering bakit hindi kami lumapit. It's because sarado na siya. But it still looks beautiful pa rin naman even from our spot. So after admiring the falls for a few minutes, we decided to head back. After that long adventure, we decided to treat ourselves by buying the famous peanut ice cream. My verdict on this, to be honest, there was nothing special about it. Masarap siya, yes, pero para lang siya lumpia wrapper na may ice cream and peanuts sa loob.
Baka dapat.
It's time for us to leave. We decided not to fly the lanterns because on our way back, we saw some caught in the trees. Even though they're eco-friendly, we just didn't want to contribute to the mess. We are now back at Beifeng Station. We just took the same train we rode to get here and then we followed the exit sign going west. Once you exit Beifeng Station, turn left and go straight down this road until you reach the police station. Right across from that is the bus station where you need to catch a ride to Jiufen. We rode the bus number 965 but you can also ride the bus number 788. This ride will only take 15 minutes. We were tired at this point but also very happy. And the fact that we didn't get lost was a bonus. We've finally arrived at our last destination for the day. We decided to check out Jiufen at night because they say it's more beautiful and less crowded. However, the downside of going here at night is that many stores are already closed. And they were right. Mas ma-appreciate mo yung ganda niya sa gabi. And just like that, we're back in Ximending. We always love to try McDonald's in every country we visit to check out items that are not available in the Philippines. Our food is here. Pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga is meron silang milk option sa drinks. Yung in-order ko nga pala is the mushroom Angus beef burger. Si Carl naman, normal cheeseburger lang in-order niya. Para daw makompare niya yung lasa ng gawa ng Taiwan and sa Pinas. Our last agenda for the day is to buy pasalubong. And good thing, 24 hours open sila sa Carrefour. This is actually one of the best places for you to buy pasalubong kasi mura lang din sila dito.
Nahihirapan ako mag-isip ng pasalubong. Ito na. I know.
And that's how we ended our day. We went back to our hotel after that and immediately fell asleep. Tired, but with a smile on our faces. And that's a wrap for our adventure. Thank you so much for coming along with us as we explored beautiful places, enjoyed nature, and tried delicious local food. We hope you had as much fun as we did. See you again on the next adventure. Bye for now. With love, MJ.